Namaskar and a very good morning. My name is Mary Shadna Sharma. I am basically from Assam. Presently I am working as a subject matter specialist in Krishi Vigyan Kendra Darang. And if I go through the Darang district, it is the North Bank Plain Zone of Assam. Can I read? Okay. It is present in the North Bank Plain Zone of Assam. And if we see the Darang scenario in agricultural terms, around 70% of Darang people are based on agriculture. And here in Darang district, rice is the main crop, followed by maize and some other crops like jute and toria. But if we see the millet concept in Darang district, it is very poor. The millet area in Darang district is hardly around 25 hectares. And the main reason for this is that in Assam, we have rice as a staple food. We Assamese people like rice like anything. We used to eat in 3 times in a day. So this is the major reason. And the second reason is the post-harvest handling of the millet program. Because millet seeds are very small and we don't have sufficient machineries for dehulling and this one tracing and all. That is why the farmers are very much reluctant to adopt this crop. So as we all know that 2023 is the International Year of Millet, and our Assam government is also working on some millet projects. So our Krishi Vigyan Kendra Darang along with NABARD and some other institute like the District Agriculture Office, we have conducted some foxtail millet demonstration program in our areas, and around 20 hectares of land covering around 50 farmers in 5 villages. And when we see the result, it is a bumper crop with very good yield. So we have formed FPC, that is Darang Millet Producer Company, which is doing their tremendous work on producing the value-added products of millets and selling in the nearby cities like Guwahati and Tezpur. So, in a nutshell, we can see that farmers are nowadays they are much interested in taking the new crop. This is not a new crop, but a forgotten crop, millet. So right now I am here at ICRISAT, that is the International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropic. We are here for the training program that is Advances in Millet Breeding and Seed Production. And from my knowledge, from the last few days experience, I have gathered a lot of knowledge regarding millets. What is the millet crop, how it is grown, what type of scientific cultivation practices or scientific researches have been organized by this institute. Moreover, we have visited the main campus of this institute, where I may say that I am very much interested in the new techniques like high input techniques like lazy scan, where we can go for screening of more than 5,000 plants at a time. And we have also noticed that International Gene Bank is also established here, where more than 103,000 SSNs have been stored from 144 countries. And also we have what I can say that different machineries, right from sowing to harvesting, tracing, then grading and color sorting. I think these machineries will very much helpful for farmers like our regions, because we are lacking of it. So I think this training program will be very much helpful for us, as we are the extension personnel. We are working with the farmers in the grassroots level. So I think this training will be very much essential for us, so that we can disseminate our knowledge to the farmers. So with these few words, I would like to conclude my delivery. Thank you.